Hey y'all, this is Kris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And as you can see, we have completed a major goal for this pantry challenge. That is freezer number 2, and it's empty. We did it, y'all. This week's going to be a little weird because we didn't do a whole lot of cooking. You can see we did some new tofu, and I'll be coming out with a video on this process probably on Saturday, so you can view that on Saturday. This past Tuesday, we put out a video on ramen, and we made pork ramen on Thursday this week, which was absolutely wonderful. We enjoyed this, and it was just so good, like normal. For lunch on Friday, I went ahead and made some beef vegetable noodle soup, I guess you'd call it, and I used completely 100% items out of the pantry. That's beef, stew beef that I canned a while back, French onion soup, mixed vegetables, and some egg noodles. This is our Fancy Friday, and boy was it fancy. We had a ton of leftovers from Christmas and Thanksgiving, and we went ahead and compiled them both. So there was really no cooking here either. We just threw everything on a plate, heated it up, and called it Fancy Friday. So we got rid of a ton of stuff out of our freezer for our freezer meals. Now, I tell you what's cool is the last couple leftover days, we haven't had leftovers. So we're doing a really good job as far as using our leftovers and eating through what we have. So what you're looking at right now is what I believe the recipe is called drunken black beans. And let me tell you what, they were so good. It was so wonderful. I mean, it's got cumin, it's got garlic. I think we threw some beer in there. Black beans that we canned ourselves. And you want to talk about just good flavor and an excellent side to our main dish. It was just wonderful. These beans are a side that we did with burger night on Wednesday. I believe like Monday and Tuesday, we didn't do a whole lot because it was literally just heat 'em up meals. So this was really the first time we'd cooked since Ramen Thursday. Oh yeah, I remember. We had homemade. Oh, I think it was on Tuesday. We had, because we didn't have any leftovers because we keep eating through our leftovers, which is really awesome. On Tuesday, we made homemade chicken salad. Y'all know like the Arby's chicken salad where it's like walnuts and chicken and grapes on that really cool wheat bread. That's what we had, I think, on either Monday or Tuesday. But look at those black beans. We canned those black beans. They are so good and so cheap to do. And so this is one of those, is it worth it, y'all, things to can your own beans? Yeah. The next time we need beans, I'm going to do a better job of filming the process so you guys can see it, because I think the last time I filmed these beans, it was like hit or miss because I forgot to turn the camera on. So we will definitely, the next time we need beans, which might be a hot minute, but I will make sure that I film the process so you guys can watch what we do with the beans. So tonight we had salmon patties, and you're going to get to see that in the next week's video. But the next thing we do is we make tartar sauce. So we go with some mayonnaise and some mustard real quick. We add some Hoosier Sister sauce or Worcester sauce, or however you want to say it. Liam Perrins. Going in with some sweet relish. And some of the spices we're going to use is homemade onion powder, garlic powder. Then we're going to hit it with some salt and pepper and call it good. So y'all, I just want to let you know this week went well. We didn't do a whole lot of cooking, but everything turned out great. We did not spend any money. As y'all know, we are right at our $50 limit, and we only have a couple more days left, so we're going to try really, really hard to make sure we don't spend any more money. And this is what we ate tonight. We had the best salmon patties, homemade crinkle potatoes, green beans with rotel, and a big old glass of tea. So with that, y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with us. And I'm sorry this is such a light video today, but this week was a little rough. So Until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.